On this Ford Escape, I'm going to change the PCV valve. It's located almost under right there, under the intake plenum. Little hard to reach. I'm going to remove this cover, the airbox air inlet, and see if I can get to it without removing anything else. First thing you want to do is disconnect the battery. Disconnect the negative cable. Set it aside. There's 3 8mm nuts and here to get the cover off. Next, disconnect the mass airflow sensor. Clip the air cleaner. And loosen the clamp from the air cleaner hose to the throttle body. Just unplug the vent hose. Set it out of the way. While you're there, check the air filter. And the throttle body. Next, we're going to unplug the PCV valve hose. And a new PCV valve is installed. Install a PCV valve hose. And the tube to the hose. I'm going to reinstall the air filter. And the intake air box with the air hose to the throttle. Make sure the tube is seated. Plug in the mass airflow sensor. And reinstall the vent tube. Next, install the engine cover. And reinstall the negative battery cable. Just tight. Next, start the vehicle and check for leaks. Sounds good.